Assembling pages in Microsoft Word. Okay, so now we have all 3 pages processed. Page 1, page 2, page 3. This document will consist of 3 pages. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fire up Microsoft Word. Here it comes up. Blank page. Now we have 3 pages in this document. We're going to create 4 pages. Control Enter will create another page, and so on and so on. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Always create 1 extra page, simply because if you need to add anything extra after that, it's just much easier if you have that extra page already for you. Place the cursor where you want the first graphics to appear. Now right click, copy, Microsoft Word again, Control V for paste. There we go. There's another way of doing it. Let's see if I can minimize this properly. I'm just going to push it into the top left corner. Same thing with our folder, push it into the top right corner. If you do that, you're going to have left side of the screen with Microsoft Word and right side of the screen with the files. So another way of doing this is place the cursor again where you want that file to appear. And page 2, all you have to do is drag and drop anywhere in the space. If you do that, that file is going to end up where the cursor is flashing. So that's what I'm going to do. Press the mouse, drag and drop anywhere, and page 2 appears where page 2 is supposed to be. Place the cursor again, drag and drop page 3, maximize Microsoft Word, verify that everything is nicely placed and in order. If you don't have anything else to add, you can get rid of the last page by pressing backspace. Verify things again. We're happy. Save as. Wherever you need to save your file, and I'm just going to come up with some random name. Save. Now we need to save this in PDF format. Go to File, Save as Adobe PDF. If you click that, it is going to keep the name of the file, it's going to keep the folder. All you have to do is press save and wait. It might take a while, so don't do anything until the PDF file appears. There it is. That's our PDF file. Hold Control and use my wheel on the mouse to zoom out, verify if everything is good, and it is. This is the document that is submissible as lab report.